Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install and play League of Legends. So let's get started. First of all, make sure to open the League of Legends website in your preferred browser. League of Legends is playable on both Windows and Mac computers. For the next step, make sure to click on Play Now. It's a blue button in the upper right corner of the page. Next, you need to enter your account details, so make sure to fill out the following fields, which is the email address, the username, the password, make sure to confirm the password, and lastly the date of birth. Once you do that, make sure to check the I agree box, it's near the bottom of the page, and then make sure to click on create my account. You may be prompted to select a different username. Now make sure to click on download the game, it's in the middle of the page. The game setup file exe for Windows, DMG for Mac will download into your computer. If you are on the Mac, you may have to click on the download Mac installer link. Next, install League of Legends, so double click the installer file that you just downloaded. For Windows, make sure to click on yes when prompted. After that, click next. Make sure to check the I agree box and click on next. Lastly, click finish when prompted. But for Mac, make sure to verify the download if prompted. Then click and drag the League of Legends icon into the application folder icon and drop it there. For the next step, make sure to wait for League of Legends to install. If prompted, you'll also need to allow League of Legends to uninstall a patch, which is a software update that fixes or improves an aspect of the game. Now, all you need to do is to click on accept when prompted. You'll see this option in a pop-up window, and then sign into your account in the upper right side of the main launcher window. Make sure to enter your League of Legends username and password, then click on sign in. And lastly, enter a username when prompted. This name can be different than your Riot Games username, so make sure to type in your preferred username. After that, press enter and click on yes when prompted. You are now ready to play League of Legends, and that's it. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.